Hey, what's going on? This is Dave Murphy of Around the Lens, the host with the most, I hope. I am doing an unboxing today of a new microphone I just got. It is the Yeti Nano. So, I use the Yeti for all the podcasts that you hear, all the Around the Lens shows, and it's a great microphone. It's huge, though, and it's kind of cumbersome to take on vacation or take traveling when, I still want to do the podcast while I'm traveling, while I'm on vacation, but taking that big honking thing is just really untenable most of the time, especially if I'm flying, so I have to pack light. So I got this as sort of a way to sort of allow me to record decent quality audio while on the road. And from what I've read, this is pretty much exactly the same thing as its bigger brother. It just has a little bit less functionality. But if the audio quality is the same and it does what I need it to do, which is just record me for the most part, then it's it's better than what I've done in the past, which is using the microphone from headphones for a phone, or using, worst case scenario, the mic on my laptop, which I have had to do one time. If you heard that episode, you would never want to hear it again. It was a pretty horrible episode just because the laptop mic picked up all the noise from the MacBook fan, and it was not fun. And I tried to fix the audio as much as I could, but it really did not work out very well. And so I'm trying to prevent that from ever happening again by having this little mic with me that I'll take with me on trips, and so I'll always have at least something decent to record with. So let's go ahead without further ado and get into the unboxing and see what's in this little box. I don't think there's going to be a lot, but let's get into it. Okay, here's the top. Oh, okay, whole thing comes out. All right. This is the sleeve, I guess. So just so you see what's on the outside of the sleeve. Some information about the different types of mic capabilities, some general information, and some other information at the bottom. I don't want you to see the barcode with the serial number on it. So anyways, decent exterior packaging. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, so the box within a box. Looks like it's got a little sticky tape here. I do not have a little screwdriver actually going on here. There we go. Simple blade, simple tape. Okay, so what do we got in the box within a box? We've got a little brochure. Or perhaps not brochure. What am I talking about? An instruction booklet, instruction manual for the Blue Yeti. I will be sure to read this fully, back to front. Even the multiple language versions. I'll read both. Let's see, we got a blue Sherpa, the Sherpa companion app. Okay, great. Yeah, that's good. It'll allow me to mess with the audio levels and everything. Got a code here for 3 months of a software service. Okay, I'll have to look into this. I'll have to see if it's worth anything. Put that code down so you don't see my code and steal it. And then I can save 20% when I register off of this blue product. So I don't really need any of this stuff. I don't need a blue t-shirt, but if I want to go to get it, I can do that. Alright, so inside we got some nice black foam here, so I'll get that out of the way. And then we've got the microphone itself just packed right in there, all ready to go, no assembly required. Let's see here. There is a little converter screw-dad thingamajig. Over here, looks like the cable. Yeah, this is the micro USB cable. Not USB-C, I guess. They didn't feel a need to go there yet. Maybe in the next iteration, I guess. I don't know. Alright, well here's the microphone itself. It's kind of bent a little bit out of whack. Let me de-bendify this. Okay, great. Tighten this up a little bit. Yeah, so just upon initial, touch and feel and taking it out and messing around with it, it feels solid. I have some people say this feels like plastic or polycarbonate, but it feels good. It feels solid. It feels like a real microphone. It feels like something with some quality to it. You know, the knobs and the buttons and the dials, everything here feels decent. You know, maybe this isn't metal, probably isn't metal, but it feels good nonetheless. So just hand feel, it feels good. So that's everything in the box. Not a whole lot of stuff there. I'm gonna put this back in because I don't want to lose it. I know I'll lose it. But for the most part though, this is everything you get in the box. Some paperwork, cable, and the microphone itself. So you may see this microphone being used in future episodes of the show. Who knows, maybe if it's good enough to replace my current microphone, I may swap it out. I don't know. I do like it. It's kind of cute, and it's got all the major things I need, which is it can record, you know, both from the front and omnidirectional, so cardioid and omnidirectional. So that's pretty much all I need from a microphone like this. So I'm excited to use it, and again, like I said, I'll probably use it before I go on the road, just to kind of see how it feels, see how it sounds, get used to it, get used to using it, set it up, you know, fine-tune it, fine-tune the range and whatnot, and that way when I do go on the road, it's a matter of just taking it out and going. And this is really good because I can collapse this down, just loosen this a little bit, loosen, flip it over, you know, that's it. That's all there is to it. I can throw that in my bag, wrap it up in some socks and some shirts, and it's going to be perfectly fine. And then take it out, tighten. Done. That's it. Let's go. Let's do a podcast. Hello, I'm David J. Murphy of Around the Lens. This is episode 1,257,000. But anyways, that's it. That's been Dave Murphy here, doing a little unboxing of the Yeti Nano for you. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll give you a full review sometime in the future, maybe, if I'm feeling up to it. Alright, that's it. I'm out.